folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a beautiful banjo ukulele to show you today. This one is a close cousin to the one I personally play, and it's kind of like my version of a banjo uke that uses some of the decoration and design from the early Kingdom era ukuleles. So the entire thing is maple and koa, and so the rim is like a thin maple shell that's veneered with a piece of koa. That's more old-fashioned than the ones I make normally. It's got the rope binding around it, and then we've got maple and koa for the neck, geared tuners here, and then koa all up here. And this customer Rob, he wanted a 1.5-inch nut here. Concert scale. It's got a K&K pickup, goatskin head, tension hoop that I made myself. Yeah, I really like it. They're a little lighter than the Blockroom banjo ukes I make. They got a little lighter sound, a little more old-timey. I think it's nice. Yeah, so that's number 1033. Cheers.